Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to talk about a skin-free milk. They have a skin-free milk syrup, and they also have a skin-free milk face cream. But today I'm talking about a skin-free milk face cream. This skin-free milk face cream, it can be used for anti-reaction. It can also be used for anti-pimples, and also it can help to clear pimples in your face. If you're looking for a face cream that you don't need to premix, going for this skin-free milk could be a very good idea. And also, it's a lightening face cream. It's lightening your face. It helps to clear dark spots, and it helps to clear marks if you have already. Also, if you know that you're a very light skin person and you're looking for a very face cream that will lighten your face more, or to brighten your face, or to just give it that natural complexion, going for this skin-free milk would be a very good idea. But if you don't want to get to lightening more than 2 to 3 shades, you can use it just once in a day. And this skin-free milk contains SPF 15, which is very good. But you all know that SPF 15 is not enough to prevent a sunburn. This skin-free milk for a light skin person, a dark skin person who wants to use a skin-free milk face cream, or if looking for a face cream to give that clear natural complexion, you can go for this skin-free milk. But it will not be a very good idea for you to use it 2 times in a day if you don't want to get about 2 to 3 shades as a dark skin person. You can use it 2 times in a week, or you can use it once in a day. It depends how much you want the complexion of your skin. Also, if you're looking for anti-reaction, that you don't want to use any tube, you can use this skin-free milk for anti-reaction as well. Or if you have pimples, you want to clear pimples, you don't want to use a tube, go for this skin-free milk. It will also do a very perfect job for you. So that's all I have to say about this skin-free milk. And also, do not mix it with anything, just use it on the phone, and it will do a very good job. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.